Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the Realme GT Master Edition, a smartphone celebrated for its sleek design and powerful performance. Whether it's for gaming, photography, or daily tasks, it's a reliable device. But like any smartphone, screen damage is a common issue, and we've all had that heart-stopping moment when our phone falls. Sometimes the screen survives, and sometimes it doesn't. In today's video, we'll show you how to replace the LCD screen on the Realme GT Master Edition. Now, while the process might seem simple, it's a delicate task. If you're not familiar with phone repairs, there's a risk of causing more damage. Fragile components like the battery, motherboard, or connectors can be easily mishandled, resulting in costly mistakes. If you're unsure, it's always a good idea to seek professional help. But if you're up for the challenge, let's go over the tools and steps you'll need. First, gather the right tools. Having the proper equipment is crucial. Start by removing the back cover. Modern phones use adhesive, so you'll need to carefully apply heat to the edges to loosen it. Be cautious, as too much heat can warp the plastic. Next, detach the battery after ensuring the phone is powered down to prevent electrical damage. Then, remove the screws securing the motherboard to access the LCD screen. Now comes the tricky part. Use a suction cup to gently lift the damaged screen off the device. Begin at the bottom and work slowly, as the LCD is fragile and could break further if handled roughly. If needed, use heat sparingly to soften the adhesive that holds the screen in place. But don't overdo it, as excess heat can damage the phone's internals. Once the old screen is off, it's time to install the new LCD screen. Make sure the replacement screen aligns perfectly with the phone's frame. Double check that all the connectors are securely attached. A small misalignment can cause functionality issues, so take your time during this step. Finally, you'll need to reassemble the phone. Reattach the motherboard and battery, tighten all screws, and carefully place the back cover back on. If the adhesive has weakened, a little heat may help reseal it securely. Afterward, test the phone to ensure the touch, functionality and display are working as they should. In conclusion, replacing the LCD screen on the Realme GT Master Edition can be done at home with the right tools and patience. However, if you're not confident or run into trouble at any stage, it's safer to seek professional help. A professional repair shop may save you from causing further damage that could increase repair costs. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips, tricks, and repair tutorials. We appreciate your support. And until next time, this is Quizitech. Stay tech savvy.